Finally, this app is back. So hey guys, what's up buddy? It's your host Mr. Master. Today back with a new amazing video like always. Once again guys, so basically in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Terrarium app, which was recently shut down around September 18. I really don't remember the date, but this app was shut down. So officially it has been returned that the Terrarium app has been back and it is named as the Cyberlink, but whatever, the app, everything is same, and even the app name, everything is same. So the app is back guys. So now let me just tell you how to download. So what you need to do is just go ahead to the link in the description guys and just download this app as it is. So once you have downloaded the link, once you have downloaded the app from the link in the description guys, don't worry, I will update the app regularly, and yeah, so just go ahead and just download the app from the link in the description. So once you download this app guys, just go ahead and install this, and after installation and make sure that you have installed the by default the TV player also, and everything has been set up. You are ready to go and everything is back to same. So that's a good news for all those who are waiting for the Terrarium app, and finally it is back, and yeah, you are ready to go. So and another thing guys, I just want to tell you that as a that within 3 months I found a very good alternative for the Terrarium app when it was shut down. You could if you want, you could just give it a try. It is known as TTV, and let me tell you that it is really a best alternative if you want. So that's it. Ready to go, and good news for those who are waiting for this app. So yeah, boom, that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video is really helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, bye guys, your host Mr. Master signing out.